How to create a job listing with Spot. From your dashboard, navigate to Job Board. Click on Create Listing and input the job details. Add your job role, the location type, experience level, employment type, and the salary range for the job. Input the country you're hiring from and the city. Add your skills, summary, and job description. You could also use the integrated AI tool on Spot to generate skills and summary suggestions for the job listing. You can also use the custom field to ask other questions you want the applicants to fill. Click on Save. Don't forget to publish your job listing. Once you publish, a job link is going to get generated for you, which you can share on all your platforms for applicants to apply.